Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tech Tips 101 and I'm going to show you how to install YUZU Emulator in 2026. So I've made a video in 2025 about installing YUZU on Windows, but a lot of you told me like the link is not working, it is not safe or anything. So now I'm going to provide you a new link that is a backup link. It doesn't link you to any other website. It links you to a Google Drive, and I've added my backup file there. So you can just download YUZU Emulator from that link, and it is 100% guaranteed secure. Okay, so there are no malware, no virus. It is secure, and you can just download it from the link in the description. So go to your description and look for the first link. It will link you to a Google Drive. You download the file, you have this YUZU Windows Tech Tips 101.rr file. So just double click on it and you can see you have a folder here inside. Okay, so now just click on extract and click on OK. Now this is the password. So the password is Tech Tips 101. Click on enter. It's 101 by the way. Tech Tips 101. Okay. So you have this folder here. Inside it, okay. This is where the part. So you have a yuzu.exe file here. So yeah, you can see my screen. We have a game here because I have previously configured it, and I'll just remove the game directory and do everything as what you see. So for you might have an error about installing decryption keys or firmware not installed. It's totally just normal. Just close YUZU first. Now follow my steps step by step. Go to your browser and go to the description part. So you have 3 links there. The first one is the Google Drive. Second one, you have a firmware. Third, you have a prod keys. So firmware, we're just going to go for firmware first. The prod keys. So firmware is you need to download from the link. Scroll down and find the latest version, 22.5. In the time we're here, click on here to download. Next, go to the prod keys link, scroll down, look for the same version, 22.5. Click on here to download, and yeah, it should be downloaded. So now I can close my browser first, and let's go back to downloads. So here you have 2 more zip files. One is prod keys, one is firmware. I will just right click on it here, extract all, click on extract. Okay, so these are like the firmware files. There are a lot here. So I'm just going to close first. Now right click on the prod keys, extract all, extract. Yeah, so easy, right? So after you do these steps, go back to YUZU Windows Tech Tips 101 folder, double click, find yuzu.exe, double click on it, open YUZU again. So now click on tools, install firmware. So remember where we have saved our firmware file? Go back to downloads, firmware, select the folder, and you can see now it's installing the firmware. Okay, great. Firmware installed. Now, the prod keys. Install decryption keys. Now, go back to downloads, prod keys, and here select the prod.keys file. Open. So, decryption keys install succeed. Okay, just click on OK. And now is where the thing's going to start being complicated a bit. So in order to have your games to play, you need to locate your NSP file. So this is an NSP file of Mario Party Superstars. You can try to find your NSP files by googling it, because things have changed over the years. The Nintendo is being more stricter, and it will be harder for me to tell you how to download it. So you can try to download it by searching online, looking it in archive websites or anything, but I cannot tell you how. Okay, so you can try to find it by your own, try to Google and get yourself an NSP file. So I have my NSP file in my documents folder, so just click here to double click and locate your folder that you save your NSP file. Select folder, and it will automatically add the games here. So you have 5 games, you have 5 games here. Great. So now I will show you how to configure your controls. So here, these are just some general settings. You can try to configure yourself, and I will always leave it as default for this demonstration purpose. So the controls. About the controls, we are having player 1 until player 8 here. So always you need to add another player, you can just add another controller by clicking here. So go back to player 1, I will just always stay with the Pro controller. You can try to configure it on your own with Joy-Cons or other controllers. About the input devices, I just have only the keyboard and mouse. If you have a Switch controller or Xbox controller, PS5 controller, you can connect it with your computer and you can change your input device here. So I will just leave everything here as default. If you need to change, you can click here and locate another key for you to use. But I'll just click clear first, and this should be it. You can try to configure it according to your own preferences and try to do some experiment on it. Okay, so now click OK. Let's try to run some games. So to run a game, double click here to run it, and now you can see it is launching and get ready for everything. Okay, so you can see we're now on version 1.1.1. Okay, so let's try to get into the game or something. Okay, so this shall be it. I can see that everything is still working fine. Okay, so I'm just going to stop the game now. Let's try to click an emulation and stop. Click yes. Okay, so now the game is stopped. So it's just easy to run your first game and to configure YUZU accordingly. So the most hardest part might be finding your own NSP file. So I believe if you follow my steps step by step, you can get everything set up pretty quick in just like 10 minutes, and you can get started to run your games. So if you're trying to install some add-ons, like here you can install some DLCs or updates of your game. You can see my another video, I will link it hit right here. You can try to see through it, and I will teach you about how to install DLCs, mods, and updates. So if you like this video, try to give me a like, subscribe to the channel for more. If you have any ideas or any problems, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will be always there to help you, okay? So if this video helps you, just like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!